Thanks for tuning in to P.R.'s Realm. Today, I'm going to unbox and review the Samsung 4K Ultra HD TV. This is the 6 Series 2019 version. I'm going to unbox it, take it out. I'll show you what it looks like quickly, put it together, and then in a couple days I'll give a quick review.
Hello and welcome. Please download the SmartThings app on your mobile to start TV setup. You may press the right button to set up the TV with the TV remote. Please select your language.
Alright, so it's been about 2 weeks. To this day, I haven't tried out every feature, specifically every app, because there are countless apps. Getting to that feature, if it wasn't up already, I would take my remote, press this home screen. As you see on the bottom, apps show up. These are the apps that I use, or I might use, because some of them I haven't checked out yet. Netflix and Hulu are ones that, of course, you have to have a subscription and pay for, but there are countless others that are totally free, like Crackle, Cheddar, Dailymotion, Tubi Movies, Pluto, and if you know of any others, or you're subscribed to any others, you go to this icon, Apps, you would press it. If I were to press it, a whole screen would be filled with apps and a search bar. The search bar is to look for the apps that aren't there. As you see right above, it gives you some recommended apps. I don't use these apps because most of them are paid for and I either don't subscribe to them or they're not offered in my area. Things like DirecTV, Amazon, Vudu, Google Play, Apple TV, and countless others. It has tons of different languages from all around the world and programming from all around the world. So for people that do speak other languages and want to get stuff in their native language, there's even additional features. You could also hook up your game systems, your multimedia. I've hooked up my computer to it, so if I want to type on my computer, like I said, it's a lot easier than using the internet here, but I would use the computer because sometimes I download movies and then I connect it to the TV, watch it on the TV. In addition, you could get on the internet. Although I wouldn't recommend using the internet here unless you don't have a home computer, which most households do at this time, because it's tedious. It's a lot harder to use this remote where you're basically using the arrows up and down to type than just going on the computer and using either the touch screen or your keyboard. In addition, you could add your own gallery of pictures. Overall, I would give the TV about 4 out of 5 stars. The only reason why it doesn't get that full 5 out of 5 is because the directions fall short, and if you have anything that's not HDMI, like audio optical, and you want to hook it up, it's quite difficult. Unless you're tech savvy and you understand how to hook things up, it's not going to show you in the guide. You have to figure that out. Besides that, sound, excellent. Picture quality, as you see, excellent. Again, this is the Samsung 2019 version 6 series. It's a 40-inch TV. So, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching P.R.'s Realm. Make sure you subscribe, turn on the notifications, like the video, share the video, watch my other videos, share the channel, and leave some comments.
Freestyle.